You're an idiot. He was just like, hi YouTube. I was like, I'm not even videotaping yet.
Well, that shows you how smart I am with phones.
Oh god. Just that silence.
Silence.
Just silence.
Water.
Hey. Over there taking selfies. They're just like videotape them taking selfies. Selfie.
It's like, let me take a selfie.
I think it was cute.
What?
Face she made afterwards. Look at fabulous. No, just make faces. Girly face. Nah, I don't even know how to do a girly face. I just don't know.
Shag checked it out. She checked out about 30 minutes.
Alright, what face? No, it's like. I felt like that was falling. Alright, so what are we gonna do?
I have no idea. Let's prank John.
John!
Hey, John!
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 There's too many people. You are broken.
They will know. What are y'all playing?
They're playing Pokemon.
I want to know. Y'all playing Pokemon?
Yeah.
John.
Unacceptable.
Hey,
It's not recording.
Gage.
Unacceptable.
It's okay. I'm definitely not gonna post this on my YouTube channel.
Full of store. It's like, what would happen if I used to full of store?
You're just in the background. You're just like, hi.
I'm the weird guy in the back of the camera.
Just put your face like in the very corner.
No, just get behind her. Be like
What?
that guy in Cloud.
I got a boyfriend,
Who's
stupid.
in every shot. He's like,
You're already in one of my YouTube videos. Go look at my YouTube channel.
What's your YouTube channel called?
My name!
Oh, did you do that thing where you typed in your name?
Yes, on an accident. It was an accident, but I still keep it because I really don't care.
My high score on Tetris Axe.
What are you doing? Huh?
I played Tetris Axe.
he said it was gonna be.
Hey.
That's, well,
You're going
why
down.
don't I just die?
You're going down
Go
at the power
very
of my
far out of your-
kingdom. You spam something. Come on.
I'm just gonna have to wait and have it kill my entire team, which is gonna
How
take
did you do
forever.
that?
What do you mean?
How did you do that?
Do what?
What do you mean? You can throw Pokeballs at them; it just comes back to you.
Master Ball.
You have 998 matches.
How is that possible?
You
What if
beat
you
the
guys
game.
cheat?
Yours backwards.
You only get like one.
I'm flipping my non-existent girl.
No, I'm just like. Okay. This does not work. Where is the exit? I can't.
What is Joe doing?
Alright, my hair is weird. If me and you was taking a selfie, what face would you do? I'd be like, just that weird rape face.
John, you're on the internet.
Yeah, you're on the internet already, running from me.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he's literally running from me in videos. Go ask Mason Perry. Yeah, I do stalk you sometimes.
Oh, okay.
Not really. That's just weird. You just keep randomly appearing in the background.
I know.
I bet whenever I don't even pay attention and notice, you're just like,
I'm kind of like, just like.
just I'm just like, okay.
I'm like one of those ghosts caught on camera.
I love your phone case. Whoever did this is amazing.
He's a genius. Ow.
He missed a little bit though. Just walked out of class. I think I should return now. There's Mr. Vincent in the hallway. I'm going back in here. Those girls randomly looked at me. I don't know why, they just look at me like I'm weird. Maybe I am, maybe I'm not. They're just like, you're just like, I'm weird. I'm just like, what you looking at? I'd be like, you're just so weird, it's interesting.
I'm looking at the poster.
Yeah, it's just like you peer around me in the video. Just who's there? No, it's just like, huh? And you're just like leaned over on the table.
I'm like,
Oh god, that was a good one.
yeah.
That was the epic high five.
We're gonna get 1 million views.
If we get 1 million views, I will put my face in a bowl of raw
If I
eggs.
get 1 million views, I'll run across this hallway.
Naked.
No, no, not naked.
I wouldn't either. Or would I? I don't know. No. I would run across the hall screaming, waffles.
Okay, I'll do that.
Screaming waffles.
Yeah, screaming waffles.
We should just be like, never mind. I forgot I was making a YouTube video. I was about to say something totally messed up.
That is Miss King and that is Miss Collins.
I think they realized that I was videotaping them. Did you just whisper Illuminati in my ear? Oh, you just affected me.
No! Okay, now you're no longer affected.
What'd you smack my hair for? Alright. I'm done holding this camera, like, oh my god.
You were infected.
You're in the background again. I'm gonna go get my hair cut. It's gonna be totally different. It's gonna be nice though. I'm gonna get it thinned, trimmed, and my bangs fixed. I'm gonna look like a crazy girl, cause I am psycho. Don't do that. Made me flip and mess up the camera. What are they doing?
Pokemon. Flip. Flippy. Playing flips.
Okay, stop. Handshake.
What are they doing?
Washing hands.
I do not know what that is.
Oh my god. What does it say? Take a picture.
What are they? What? I'm just dazed off in this video. Just like,
Alright,
get me off of your phone.
fine.
Alright, I want to be back on the camera now.
Yeah,
Hi, cell phone.
Alright. Alright, boys.
I don't know what that was. What he did.
I don't know. That was.
He's driving inside of water. Go, Joe. Mr. Roberts. If I come back to school, are you going to recognize me? I'm going to go crazy. I'm going to come back and I'm going to be in overalls and I'm going to have boots, some fishing boots on, and I'm going to come back to school and I'm going to have a hook
As a hand?
in my ear. I'm gonna look. I think I might do that. I don't know. I might go off on the deep end. I don't know. Might just sink to the bottom. Just find all them catfishes
Are you
and
still
eat them all.
recording?
Oh, I forgot.
That's an interesting YouTube video.
Yeah. I will lick your hand if you do that again.
Yeah.
You won't do it because you know I will. Alright. If you do it one more time, I will lick your hand. I swear I will.
You'll be like,
I swear I will. I promise myself I will.
It's over.
What is with the school these days?
they're singing Christmas music.
You're in the corner of my video again. You can be in. I don't have anything against it. It's just like video bombing.
Hold on, I need to be farther back.
He's that weird guy. Good job.
Yeah,
Ow.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. I just said ow just because, I don't know. I just said ow. I felt like it.
I was trying to be like that Sasquatch.
Why are there 2 cars inside the water?
I don't know.
That reminds me of The Sims, but cars. Because of the arrow thing on top of it, it looks like a diamond. So I'm kind of like tempted to jump in that car and blow it up and rob them and find all the money. What?
You're still recording.
Oh. Wait. What? Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
I was just like, what? I had a major brain fart there. Just, I've had a brain fart that was so bad that I've like fell on my face before. I was like, what?
What are we doing? Wait, what are we doing? Exercise. No.
If I can't see him in the video, I can't see him at all. There you are, you little sucker. Where's my lunch money?
You don't have it. It's after lunch.
Oh yeah, lunch was like an hour ago. An hour ago, it took like 5 minutes just to process that clock there that told me directly what it was supposed to do.